Hello, today we will be talking about the types of videos that you can make for affiliate marketing on YouTube. So if you have an affiliate marketing business and you want to use YouTube to grow and scale your affiliate marketing business, these are the types of videos you can make to improve your affiliate marketing sales and to get that commissions coming in like crazy. Now, if in case you're not familiar with affiliate marketing is simply a form of business where you get paid when you refer people to sign up or to make purchase in another business's products, services, right? So there is a business that has products and services and they are customers, so you are serving as a bridge, as a link, referring those customers or those potential customers to those businesses. When they buy or they sign up, you get paid some commission. So that is a brief overview of how affiliate marketing works. It's sort of like referral marketing. YouTube is great because YouTube has a lot of traffic, it has a lot of eyeballs, and you can run a profitable affiliate marketing business for free using the organic traffic on YouTube. All you have to do is to make some of these videos we will be listing in this video and put your unique affiliate link, because the businesses will give you a unique affiliate link that you can put on your videos in the description, in the comment section, on the video, somewhere around the video. So when they click and sign up or make purchases, you get some commission. So here are the kind of videos you can make. The first one here is unboxing video, and it simply works for physical products. If you go on YouTube now and you type unboxing videos for any particular product, for physical product per se, you'll see different videos. All you have to do is you might have to get the product physically. For example, if you want to do an unboxing for an iPhone, you get the iPhone physically, and then you will go through the process of opening the pack and then talking about the features. So it's a form of a review video, but it's different because here you are dealing with a physical product that you might have to get and open, sort of unbox. So you unwrap the product, and so that will mean that you might have to be familiar with some of the features. So when you are opening the box and then the different components, you can be talking about that, and then below it you can then go ahead to put a link in the description section or on the video or in the cards above or somewhere around the video, so that people can click. When they click and go to the vendor or the manufacturer or the producer or the seller and buy, you get a commission. So for example, if there are products on Amazon, you could buy them, unbox them, and ask people to buy through your link in your description section. When they go and buy, you get paid commission. So that's the first type of video you can make, unboxing videos. The next kind of videos you can make is review video, and this simply means you going through the features, the benefits of the product or the service, and it's as simple as just going through all the details, the components, and the features and benefits. For example, if you check active campaign review here, it simply means you just going through the benefits and doing like a demo. If it's a software or a digital product, you could just do a demo of the different components and the features and the benefits of the product or the service. It's as simple as that. And then usually you see check out active campaign here, and here is a link there. So what this person is doing here is going through different components. So you see he's giving the details of the video. He's talking about the deliverability, the automation, the campaign builder, and stuff like that. So the different aspects and different components and different features of the product. It can also work for a physical product where you do a review of the different components and features and how it works, like a demo. So that's the second type of videos you can make, review videos. The third type of videos you can make for your affiliate marketing business is comparison video, where you do A versus B and you compare both of them, and then at the end of the day you can refer either of them or both of them. So if for example you're an affiliate for product A, B, and C, or even more, it can be 2 or more, you can do comparison among different similar products or between 2 different products, similar products, or in the same niche or in the same ecosystem or industry. So for example, if you're an affiliate of product A and product B and product C, you could do a comparison video of all of them, and then you could make a suggestion at the end for them to buy through your affiliate link for one of them or all of them. So for example, if we say SiteGround versus Bluehost, and it can work for anything, either physical product or digital product, or it can even work for services. So you can compare services and you could compare different companies, and if you're an affiliate to either of them or all of them or both of them, then you can make a referrals recommendation at the end. So for example, here we have SiteGround versus Bluehost. This one has 3: Bluehost versus HostGator versus SiteGround. Which of them is the best? And so typically at the end of the video, or rather in the description, there might be recommendation. Okay, here his recommendation is, first, the winner is SiteGround, and so here is his own affiliate link. Bluehost, here is his affiliate link. HostGator, here is his affiliate link. You can compare the features, the benefits, the pros and the cons, one against another, advantages, the demerits, lacks, how this works better than this, how this and that work better than this. And so that way the viewer will be helped to make a decision, and then you give them opportunity to purchase or sign up using your unique referral link. That's the third type of videos you can make, comparison videos. The fourth type of videos you can make is just listicles, similar to comparison, but unlike comparison, you're just making a list, right? And then just giving the features individually without, making a battle between or among the different products or services. So you're just saying, okay, the top 10 email provider CRM, Active Campaign, ConvertKit, MailChimp. So for this, you could just simply list the different, so you could say the different hosting companies, the top 10 hosting companies, and then you could say HostGator, SiteGround, Bluehost, without comparing them as in the comparison type of video, but just listing the features. And then if you're an affiliate to one or more of them, you put your unique affiliate links to them, so that people can sign up or even make purchases through them, and then you get commission. So for example, if we write top software for video editing, here this person is given the top 3 software. Here the person says top 5 best free video software. This one is free. You could do that. You could say top web hosting companies 2020. So we have 5 best hosting services in 2020, and then this person goes on to give the 5, and then you can see for the 5, the person is an affiliate for all 5, and so there are 5 affiliate links here. So he just listed without making head-to-head or battle kind of comparison, and so you can choose any of them based on the features that resonate with you, and so that way he gets paid when anybody buys through this affiliate link. That's the 4th way of doing videos for affiliate marketing. The 5th way here is doing the marketing video. You're quite sensitive, right? You can talk about the negative aspect of a particular product or service. At the end of the day, they make a referral. So this person say why I left ClickFunnels and where I migrated to. So most likely where he migrated to is he's an affiliate of where he migrated to, most likely. So this one say why I left ClickFunnels and how I made $2,100 with this one product. So of course there's an affiliate. So for example, if you click here and you see she's giving why she left ClickFunnels and started using Kartra, and see here's an affiliate here. So this is a typical example of a kind of demarketing. Yes. You give the bad aspect of a particular product or service, or let me say the cons. You emphasize the cons and the demerits, and then you give recommendation for where they can go to. And this is a very powerful way of doing videos for your affiliate marketing business on YouTube. Okay, the next type of videos you can make for your affiliate marketing business on YouTube is case study videos, and using the power of storytelling, merging with giving features and benefits, and then you can make referrals. So it can be your own story, or it can be a story of someone else, or a particular client of yours, or anything. If you do a search on case studies selling, you see this person said how I did over $10K plus selling an online course using ClickFunnels. This is a case study. All right, it's a personal case study, and most likely the person will refer you to sign up. Very good. Sign up for a free account of ClickFunnels here. So this is an example, a typical example of a case study. You give how someone did this, how somebody achieved that, how somebody lost weight 10 kg in such an amount of time without dieting or exercise, and then you give the link to the product or the service or the program they used in your description. So this is an example of one of the videos you can make, a case study video. So the next type is tutorials, and this involves you going to give the how-to videos for the product or the service. For example, if you have a DSLR camera, instead of you just directly referring people, you can how to shoot, do you understand? How to adjust camera settings for this. And so after doing the tutorials, you can then refer people to buy through you. Now the truth is that because you're offering some value, people will be kind of obligated to reciprocate and buy through your link rather than someone that didn't offer any value. So for example, if I type TubeBuddy tutorial here, you see this person now is combining the two different forms of videos that you can make. He said the tool that helped me reach 4,000 subs. So now the thing is, what happened here is that he's doing a case study at the same time he's doing a tutorial, right? He is going through some features and teaching people how to use certain things while at the same time giving a case study. Here is a tutorial how to use TubeBuddy to get more views. So getting more views is just one of the benefits or one of the features of TubeBuddy. Here this person is teaching us how to do something, so he's giving us some tutorials, and at the same time below it there's an affiliate link written here, get TubeBuddy here, tubebuddy.com/naming, right? So this is another kind of video you can make. You can make tutorials, maybe how to log in, how to sign up, how to edit, make a sales page using Kartra, how to import your list in ActiveCampaign and stuff like that, and put your affiliate link below, and you get paid when people sign up or make purchases. Now the next kind of video you can make is just simply bonuses, where you just tell people I have ActiveCampaign bonuses. If you buy the ActiveCampaign through me, I'm going to give you some of my 100 best converting emails, how to write headlines, so anything that can complement the product or the program. You can make a exclusive video on your bonuses, and people will, in fact this works very well, people will be motivated to buy through you. So for example, if I type bonuses here, and Jono Armstrong is somebody that does amazing work when it comes to affiliate marketing on YouTube, so you could check his channel, Jono Armstrong, and he does a lot of bonuses, all of his products. You could do a review plus bonuses. The beauty of bonuses is that you can make bonus videos to stand alone per se, or you can combine them with the other forms of videos we've mentioned. You could do case study plus bonuses, tutorials plus bonuses, the marketing plus bonuses. In fact, you can put bonuses. Ideally, it's nice that you have bonuses for all of the products you are referring or recommending, and then your video should always have bonuses. And I will teach us more about bonuses and bridge pages in this channel. So make sure you subscribe and stay subscribed, and then click on the bell notification so you can always get my videos when I post them. So I will be doing videos on bonuses, on how to get bonuses, how to deliver bonuses and bridge pages and stuff like that. The next type of videos you can make discounts and deals. These are largely promotional videos. If there are specific deals that the company or the business or that you're promoting, the product or program you're promoting, if they're doing special deals or sales or discounts, you can now make a video giving some maybe pricing / price / you can now make videos giving people the opportunity to sign up, at least letting them know you are informing them about the discount and the deals, and giving them, maybe if you merge that with your bonuses and they buy through you, you have the high chance of affiliate commissions through that, right? So that's very powerful. Discounts and deals are powerful. The 10th and the last type of videos I will mention are intent-based or search-based videos. Now, this you do by searching what people are searching and then making videos on them. So they might not necessarily fall into any of the videos we mentioned in terms of types, things like pricing. So based on what people search. So if we say click funnels, so based on these, you can start making videos on these. So these are another type of videos, search-based, intent-based, and these are powerful. These are powerful because find them easy to rank because these are based on what people are searching. Then apart from that, some of them are purchase, or they have a buy intent. The buy intent in the sense that people who do the searches, who run the searches, are actually looking to buy. So things like ClickFunnels pricing, ClickFunnels alternative, ClickFunnels reviews. There may be bonuses. So pricing, reviews, alternative, tutorials, bonuses, and things like, is it worth it? Is it worth the price? Things like that. So those are the another type of videos you can make for your YouTube affiliate marketing business. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and stay subscribed. And if you have questions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section below. Share this video with those you think will find it very helpful, and I will see you in the next one.